Hi everybody, this is Ian Lamont from Lean Media at leanmedia.org. Today I'm going to be talking about why you cannot remove negative Amazon product reviews except in very limited situations, which I will show you shortly. This video helps. Please take a moment to like it and follow me on YouTube. And a very important disclaimer when it comes to Amazon product reviews, you are responsible for following Amazon terms and conditions. And if you mess up with these terms and conditions when it comes to product reviews, your account can get shut down. So let's be very clear about that and let's get started. So you sometimes when you're selling a product, and in this case we have this book that I published about 5 years ago by another author, LinkedIn in 30 minutes. Sometimes you may come upon a negative product review. And I want to highlight the one here on the bottom here. This particular person said most of the information is available free of cost on the internet. Paid version should have more info, tips, and tricks. Okay, so this particular review, even if I don't like it, I cannot get it removed. If you have a product and someone gives you a negative review and you don't like the negative review or you don't agree with it, you cannot get it removed from Amazon. It will stay up there. In fact, there is only one scenario where you can remove a review, a negative review, or even a positive review, if it happens to be 5 stars. And that is by clicking this button here, Report Abuse. I'm not going to click it right now because I don't want to start that process. But if someone legitimately abused you, abused the author, abused something about your company, abused another group of people, and you can imagine what that type of abuse might look like, then you could click this and you could potentially, Amazon would remove it. Now, if you actually use this feature in a way it was not intended, that is reporting abuse when it's not really abuse, it's just a review you don't like, Amazon can shut down your account. And they have been very strict about this in the past couple of years because frankly, this feature was abused. So just be aware of that. Now, if you go to Amazon Seller Central, there's another feature worth pointing out. So here's Amazon Seller Central, and this is for sellers who have their own brands. If you go to brands and then you go to customer reviews, you can see a list of product reviews in reverse chronological order, going back 3 months or something like that. And at the very top here, we have a review from someone who gave me 1 star and said it's the most useless purchase I've ever made on Amazon. And then they said, I did not order adopted genealogy, which is a strange thing to say because actually this product is about adopted genealogy. So perhaps this particular person, they ordered something else and Amazon didn't send it to them, or who knows what happened. Even though this looks like there could be a problem here, there's nothing I can do except report abuse from the detail page or contact the buyer. And if you contact the buyer, you're not really able to write them a personal message and saying, oh, I'm so sorry that you had a problem with our product. What can I do to correct it? You're given 2 options. One of them is to issue a refund, and the other is to offer customer support. These are canned responses. They're not real responses that you can craft on your own, and therefore there's no way for you to even ask for them to remove the review. It's just basically trying to treat them better. So this is also a dead end. So in summary, the only type of product reviews that you can remove are those that actually have abuse, real abuse, not a review that you just don't happen not to like. Keep that in mind, because if you abuse any of these features here, either report abuse from detail page, contacting the buyer, or trying to figure out who the buyer is and then contacting them that way to get them to remove the review, if Amazon catches you, they will shut down your account. They're very explicit about that, so be very, very careful. One last thing, there is one area of Amazon Seller Central that sometimes you see product reviews that are showing up in the area where people can review your company. And if you go to performance feedback, you'll see a summary of your company's feedback, and then you'll see people leaving reviews for your company. Sometimes people will actually leave a negative product review, even though it should be a review for your company. In some cases, you can actually ask Amazon to remove the review. In this case, I asked them to do it because this person was saying it is not normal that the general public purchases N95 masks, and my company doesn't sell N95 masks. And in fact, if you look at this particular order, it's about a completely unrelated product. So clearly, this was a review intended for someone else or for something else. In that case, if you have something like that showing up on this page, go to this choose one and select request removal. You can also post some sort of public reply if it's legitimate. And again, you have to be really careful. You cannot abuse this feature, and it's only for reviews of your company that happen to show up in the feedback manager area. For more information on how to get the most out of Amazon Seller Central, Amazon advertising, and other Amazon programs, go to liability.org, click on video or blog, or subscribe to the YouTube channel. If this video helped you, if you could take a moment to like it, I'd be very grateful. This is Ian signing off. Thank you so much for watching.